Spaceport America is the first dedicated commercial spaceport. And it's just incredibly exciting that we have now made it to this point where we're unveiling operational readiness of Spaceport America. The distinction of operationally ready means that we are graduating the facility into commercial service. We want to have this be a remarkable historic facility that when people arrive at, they feel, yes, this is a place that I'm going to be going to space from.
Now that we've brought the White Knight 2 down to its final home in New Mexico, we are in the process of doing a lot of airfield and airspace checkouts and use of our brand new mission control. Completing the fit out of the operational areas of the building, moving half of the team and getting White Knight 2 finally down in New Mexico for good is a huge milestone and a huge step forward in us being ready to have spaceship down there and complete our flight test program in New Mexico.
For me, it's an amazing honour to welcome the pilots here today. We've got a beautiful space for them to come and experience. The way that we're talking about the story here in New Mexico is based around a social environment. We've got an amazing barista island here, which is hosted by our fantastic team of hosts. Also, just materially, we're talking back to nature and the landscape beyond us here. It's going to be an area that in the future we can continue these wonderful celebrations and also deliver an amazing space for our future astronauts, their friends and family, and of course our broad team of people here at Virgin Galactic who are really going to bring this experience to life. And the story continues upstairs when we move up to mission control. We go much lighter with materials and it's almost replicating rising through the clouds and flying. Mission control is the beating heart, the real hub and the centre of what the organisation's about. In the future, the continuation of our story takes us upwards and into the astronaut lounge. It's the final chapter in completing our spaceport, and I'm really excited that we're on the dawn of commercial operations here, and I really look forward to offer a truly memorable Virgin experience.